Buenos dias. I was out and about today and I stopped into Walmart to do a little bit of shopping, and I saw something, what I thought was kind of unusual, and that was a seagull. Now, I know it's probably not terribly unusual to see a seagull flying over land, but I live in Kansas. I don't know how far they typically fly inland, but let's see. I looked this up earlier. Kansas is 750 miles from the Gulf of Mexico, 1,300 miles from the Atlantic Ocean, 1,700 miles from the Pacific Ocean, and a whopping 6,000 kilometers from the Arctic Ocean or the Arctic Sea. Um, I don't know what caused a seagull to fly that far inland. It would appear to me that it would not really find a lot of food. I mean, I know they eat things like shrimp and crabs and little fish and, things of that nature, snails probably, crustaceans. But you're not going to find really any of that here in Kansas. I mean, we live relatively close to a lake, but I don't know what types of wildlife are in the lakes that seagull would be after, maybe other than minnows or something along those lines. But the only thing I can think of is people, obviously throw their trash and garbage in the parking lot, unfinished food or whatever. I guess it could feast off of that, being that usually parking lots are nasty, full of that kind of stuff. But anyway, tell me what your thoughts are on seeing something. I guess that is somewhat unusual. If you live near the coast or something like that this is probably not that unusual. But the whole time I'm living in Kansas, I've seen a few waterfowl, but this is the first time I've ever seen a seagull. So I don't know. I just thought it was kind of cool, and here's the video if you want to see what it looked like. All right. Have a good night.
Keep pace, an official corporate partner of K-State Athletics.
On the web at farmcredit.com. The coach of the Cats joining us here courtside. Coach, I will congratulate you. On the web at farmcredit.com. The coach of the Cats joining us here courtside. Coach, I will congratulate you.